like skin. Like this is like what I want my skin to look like all the time. Alright, let's go.
If you wanna get a block, then you should see the man. Diamonds all through the watching you.
What's up guys, it's Jayypinkk and I'm back with another video. It is a Mask Monday and I am actually so happy to be back in front of you guys. I actually broke the cord that connects from my monitor to my camera, so like I was trying to figure out how to do this now, because like once you get a monitor, like you can watch yourself record, like it's hard to go back. So like I figured out how to do it, so we're back. I hope I don't look too dusty and crusty. I am like breaking out down here. It's one on my cheek, I think it was one on this side, and then there was one on my forehead. I don't really know. I did go out this past weekend, so like I'm thinking maybe drinking, just not eating. Really, it was just not eating. Like I don't eat meat, so I don't eat too poorly. So skin's a little down, but it's okay because we're gonna bounce back with some masks today. I'm also conditioning my hair underneath my hat. So today on Mask Monday, we have two new masks as always. Mask number one is the Wild Rose Hydrogel Gold Mask. And this one mask is the sheet mask that I'm talking about that has like the split in half. This one I feel is a little bit easier for me to work with just because like I can adjust the top portion and the bottom portion to how it needs to be, because sometimes the bottom portion just needs to go up a little bit more. I also really like the hydrogel mask because I just feel like they stay juicy longer. So like I'm really excited about this. And then I am trying the Apple Stem Cell plus Vitamin E mask. This one is by the brand called By Nature from New Zealand. Now this is the same brand that made that honey and manuka charcoal mask, that mask I really like. So I'm really excited to try this one. And this one just seems like it's very nourishing and rejuvenating and stuff. Like I'm really excited to try these. We'll start with the rose mask. This is by the brand Maskology. A hydrating rose gold gel mask loaded with collagen, gold, and rose extract to help hydrate and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin smooth with an overall glow. Sounds promising. So the directions say to wash your face and remove makeup and any environmental toxins. I don't have anything on my face right now. My face may seem a little moisturized, and that's just because it was hot prior to like sitting down. Gently unfold mask and place on your face. Adjust to the eyes and nose opening. Relax for 20 minutes. Remove the mask from your face and discard. No need to rinse. Massage remaining product into the face and neck. Okay, so I'm just gonna like squish up the packet just to distribute some of the product, and we're gonna get into it. It says use as often as desired with a regular part of your skincare regimen. Always use immediately after opening. And then it says the key ingredients are rose extract, hydrolyzed collagen, sodium hyaluronic, I don't really know how to say that word, and gold. That's actually all it has on here. Like usually the masks have like the benefits of the ingredients and all that other stuff. I do know that rose is a brightener. Rose actually has 10 times more brightening powder than vitamin C. I know a lot of people, or a lot of us period, like to use vitamin C to brighten up the skin naturally. And roses is a natural way to do it, and it has more brightening power than anything. Gold is supposed to tighten and firm the skin. It has a little brightening property just because it's gold, and sometimes it leaves its, its little specks behind. So there's that. Collagen. We have collagen in our body naturally. The hydrolyzed collagen, if I am correct, is really just a booster. It's like an additive to really just help our natural collagen like be its best. So I'm gonna let this sit on my face for 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna be back to take the mask off and like kind of tell you guys if anything feels a certain type of way while the mask was on, and we'll move along. So I'll see you guys in a few. Okay, so it's been well over 20 minutes as usual. I get distracted, start watching stuff. I never set a timer either, which is crazy because I'm always on my phone, so I could at least set a timer. But so the mask is pretty much dry, like it stopped sliding on my face. I actually kind of laid down so that it wouldn't slide anymore because that was really the only issue I was having. I always put my glasses back on my mask because I can't see, so we're just gonna take it off. This mask feels so good. I really love whatever this is made out of. Like, I absolutely love this crap. Whatever it is, that's an innovation. Like, so my face feels really cooling. Like, it feels really cool. Like my face feels like when you take a deep breath after eating a peppermint. That's what my face feels like. I didn't feel like any tingling, not a whole lot of irritation. There was a slight, like, I wouldn't say burn, but almost tingle right up in this area. But these two pimples are a little bit more active than the other ones. Like, the rest of them have kind of like kind of subsided. Right now my skin feels like really like moisturized, like almost like tight, almost like new skin. Like, it feels like I got a facelift. Like, it just feels good. It feels very cool. It feels hydrated. Like, I feel like I don't need to put on lotion, but I'm going to. Have dry skin. I would never play myself like that. This is lovely. Like, I absolutely love this. My skin feels really good. And like, usually after a mask, like, I'm not sure what exactly the mask does, but I honestly, the way my face feels, I really wouldn't care if nobody told me what that mask did, if my face was still gonna feel like this. I like that mask, if you couldn't already tell. Okay, so the next mask we have is the By Nature from New Zealand mask. And if you guys remember, like I said, this is the same brand that made the honey, manuka, and charcoal mask. I absolutely love that mask, so like, I expect to love this mask. It's the apple stem cell plus vitamin E rejuvenating face mask. It says rejuvenating and nourishing with fruit stem cells, vitamin E, and natural plant extracts. No parabens or chemicals, natural skincare, and it's not tested on animals for anyone who is concerned about those things. Alright, so the directions say, cleanse and dry skin. Give your little packet a quick squeeze to evenly disperse the contents, and then tear open. Remove the backing, gently place over your face, ensure it fits the face and mouth holes properly. Relax and let sit for 10 minutes, discard mask. Clean skin with warm water and pat dry. Well, let's give it a quick stir first. Oh my god, this smells delicious. This smells good. I'm not gonna lie, it does smell like an apple candle almost. So on the By Nature mask, they always give you some details about what the ingredients do. So apple stem cells derived from a heritage variety of crisp Swiss apples. Apple stem cells provide nourishment and rejuvenate the skin, improving the skin's appearance, texture, and elasticity. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful free radical fighter, an antioxidant naturally occurring in human skin. It can become depleted due to consistent environmental exposure. Vitamin E protects the skin by acting as a free radical scavenger, helping prevent damage to skin and premature aging. So I'm going to let the mask sit for 10 minutes. And I'm going to come back and we're going to take the mask off and, you know, the norm. We'll be back. So it's been more than 10 minutes as usual. If you see any food on the mask, I try to eat really quick. I am so hungry. I apologize. Okay, so I did leave it on for about 15 minutes and it's still like sopping wet, like it hasn't dried. But I need to wash this stuff out of my hair too. So I'm actually not going to finish my skincare routine just yet. I'm going to wash this out and then go ahead and do my skincare routine. Like, this really smells like a cheap Apple candle. It's safe to say that I actually do like the By Nature brand. And again, like, just taking this mask off my face, like, my skin feels really hydrated. I think this will also be another really nice mask for somebody who has oily skin, because the serum feels really light too. And it's like drying before my eyes. Like, my face will actually, you feel, look, my fingers like sliding across my face. Like, I'm barely touching my skin. It's just sliding. So there's just so much moisture on my skin. My skin feels good. I really don't see like a difference immediately, but usually I don't with masks. But if my skin feels good like after I do the mask, like, I'm always here for it, unless it's a mask that's gonna break me out. I really did like the stem rose mask. Honestly, anything that comes from By Nature, I think I'm just gonna buy more of, because I still have the charcoal and manuka honey mask. Like, I really like that mask. Like, that's a regular buy for me now. And then the stem cell mask would be like really nice to use after that mask, because it's just rejuvenating and my skin feels so moisturized. After I use a charcoal mask, my face didn't feel dry or anything like that, but like, this is just like extra boost. So I actually liked both of the masks this week, and I don't think that I'm gonna have any issues like I did last week. Last week was actually the first time I had any real issues. That's actually it for this video, guys. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe. Thumbs up this video if you actually enjoy my Mask Monday video. So tell your friends, tell your cousins, tell your sister, tell your boyfriend, tell your girlfriend, tell everybody to just come and watch my videos. Like, leave any comments if you guys have any specific video requests. Let me know down in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next one.